So what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be learning how to link to a relative page. And before I do get started with this video, I want to say if you're not subscribed to the channel, I do recommend you do so because it does help me out a lot and I appreciate your support. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So thus far, you have learned how to link the external web pages. Many sites also link the internal web pages like home, about, and contact. Now, before we learn how to link between internal pages, let's establish where our files are stored. When making multi-page static websites, web developers often store HTML files in the root directory or a main folder where all the files for the project are stored. As the size of the projects you create grows, you might use additional folders within the main project folder to organize your code. Now, the example above shows three different files: about.html, contact.html, and index.html in one folder. Now, HTML elements are often stored in the same folder as shown in the example above. If the browser is currently displaying HTML or index.html, it also knows that about.html and contact.html are in the same folder. Because the files are stored in the same folder, we can link web pages together using a relative path. Now, in this example, the anchor tag is used with a relative path to link from the current HTML file to the contact.html file in the same folder. On the web page, contact will appear as a link. A relative path is a file name that shows the path of a local file. A file on the same web page website such as ./index.html versus an absolute path, a full URL like www.something.com/something/something, which is stored in a different folder. The in ./index.html tells the browser to look for the file in the current folder. Alright. So directly opening body tag directly below the opening body tag within the index.html, add an anchor tag that links to index.html with a relative path. Okay. The link should say brown bear. Alright, so put an A right here. /A. Okay. We'll make it say brown bear. And we have to put /index.html. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Now, under the link to index.html, add an anchor tag that links to aboutme.html using a relative path. The link should say about me. Notice that there is also another file in the code editor, aboutme.html. Click the link to make sure it works. Alright, perfect. So what we're gonna do is just copy this, go here, change this to aboutme.in, and then we can do this. We'll put this as about me. Run it, And there you go. Let's click it. And dang, that's pretty cool. That is extremely cool. That is very nice. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. I'll see you guys in the next one and have a great day.